Smart grocery shopping plays a crucial role in everyday life, offering significant benefits for your budget, health, and time management. By making thoughtful choices at the store, you can reduce unnecessary expenses and stretch your money further. Selecting nutritious foods supports your well-being and helps you maintain a balanced diet. Efficient planning and shopping strategies also save valuable time, allowing you to focus on other priorities. Embracing smart grocery habits can lead to a more organized and rewarding lifestyle. Before creating a shopping plan, it's important to understand the unique needs of your household. Start by assessing your typical consumption habits, such as how often you cook at home and which items are used most frequently. Take note of any dietary restrictions or allergies that may influence your choices. Additionally, consider the preferences of each household member to ensure everyone's needs are met. This thoughtful approach helps streamline shopping and reduces the likelihood of unnecessary purchases. Establishing a realistic grocery budget is an important step in managing your finances and ensuring you can consistently provide nutritious meals. Start by reviewing your typical spending patterns and setting a limit that aligns with your income and household needs. Tracking your expenses each time you shop helps you stay within your budget and identify areas where you might be overspending. By planning meals and making thoughtful choices, you can balance cost and nutrition, making the most of every dollar spent. This approach supports both your financial well-being and your overall health. Creating an effective grocery list starts with planning your meals in advance. By deciding what you'll eat throughout the week, you can ensure you purchase only what you need, reducing food waste and unnecessary spending. Organizing your list by store sections such as produce, dairy, and pantry items streamlines your shopping experience. This approach helps you navigate the store more efficiently and minimizes the chances of forgetting important ingredients. With a well-structured list, grocery shopping becomes quicker and more organized. Exploring weekly deals and discounts can significantly reduce your grocery expenses. Many stores offer special promotions on select items, which are often highlighted in their weekly ads or online platforms. By planning your shopping around these offers, you can take advantage of lower prices on essentials. Additionally, enrolling in store loyalty programs can provide exclusive savings, personalized coupons, and rewards points that accumulate with each purchase. Combining these strategies helps you make the most of your budget while ensuring you get the best value for your money. Selecting the optimal time to shop can make a significant difference in your experience. Shopping early in the morning or during weekdays often means fewer crowds, allowing for a more relaxed and efficient trip. Arriving soon after stores open also gives you access to the freshest stock, as shelves are typically restocked overnight. Additionally, many retailers apply markdowns at specific times, such as midweek or late evenings, offering opportunities for extra savings. By planning your visits strategically, you can enjoy a smoother shopping experience and potentially find better deals. When shopping, comparing unit prices can help you determine which product offers the best value for your money. Unit prices break down the cost per ounce, pound, or other standard measurement, making it easier to compare different brands and package sizes. Reading labels carefully also provides important information about ingredients, nutritional content, and serving sizes. By combining these strategies, you can make more informed decisions, and choose products that best meet your needs and budget. Choosing whole foods and fresh produce is a key step toward a healthier diet. These options are typically rich in essential nutrients and free from unnecessary additives. While convenience items and processed foods may save time, they often contain higher levels of salt, sugar, and unhealthy fats. By being mindful of these choices, you can support better overall health and well-being. When aiming for healthier grocery choices, it's helpful to focus your shopping along the perimeter of the store. This area typically features fresh produce, dairy, meats, and other whole foods. In contrast, the center aisles often contain processed and packaged items that can lead to impulse purchases. By being mindful of where you shop, you can make more nutritious selections and reduce the temptation to buy less healthy snacks. This simple strategy supports better eating habits and overall wellness. Modern technology has transformed the way we shop for groceries. By using grocery apps, you can easily create shopping lists, compare prices, and even schedule deliveries right to your door. Digital coupons offer additional savings, allowing you to access discounts without the hassle of clipping paper coupons. These tools not only save time, but also help you stay organized and make smarter purchasing decisions. Purchasing food in bulk can be a smart way to save money and reduce packaging waste. But it's important to consider whether you'll use everything before it spoils. Proper storage techniques play a crucial role in preserving freshness and preventing food waste. For example, dry goods like rice and pasta should be kept in airtight containers, while fruits and vegetables may require refrigeration or specific humidity settings. Understanding these methods helps ensure that bulk purchases remain safe and usable for longer periods. By combining thoughtful buying habits with effective storage, you can maximize both your budget and the longevity of your food. Adapting your shopping habits can make a significant difference when you have special dietary needs, allergies, or want to make sustainable and ethical choices. Start by carefully reading product labels to identify ingredients and certifications that align with your requirements. Exploring local markets and specialty stores can offer a wider variety of suitable options. Additionally, supporting brands that prioritize ethical sourcing and environmentally friendly practices helps promote a more responsible food system. These mindful adjustments not only benefit your health, but also contribute to a positive impact on the world around you. Examining expiration dates is an important step in maintaining food safety and freshness. Labels such as Best By, Use By, and Sell By provide guidance on how long a product is expected to remain at its peak quality, while Best By dates indicate optimal flavor or quality. Use By dates are often more critical for safety, especially with perishable items. Understanding these distinctions helps prevent consuming spoiled or unsafe food. Always check packaging for signs of damage or spoilage in addition to the date labels. As you approach the checkout, remember to stay disciplined and stick to your shopping list. Take a moment to review your receipt carefully before leaving the store. This helps you catch any scanning errors or unexpected charges. Sometimes, you might even spot additional savings or discounts that weren't advertised. Staying attentive at this final step ensures you get the best value for your money. Smart grocery shopping involves planning ahead, making a detailed list, and sticking to a budget. By comparing prices, choosing nutritious options, and avoiding impulse purchases, you can make the most of your shopping trips. Remember to check for deals and use loyalty programs to maximize savings. Implementing these strategies can lead to healthier choices and more efficient spending. Start applying these tips to your next grocery run and notice the difference in both your pantry and your wallet.